medications are very happy with their results, and when they see that themselves and feel confident again in their bodies, I feel like very proud of my job.
Meet Dr. Daniela, the hands behind some of Medellin's most stunning transformations. Our CEO at MTC visited her JCI-accredited clinic to see how she does it and interview her directly.
Hi, my name is Daniela Correra. I'm a certified plastic surgeon at Medellin. I completed my medical degree in Medellin, Antioquia, and I studied plastic and reconstructive surgery, and I have been practicing since 2008. I perform different procedures, including all of the procedures that are body contouring. I perform liposuction, breast lifts, breast augmentation, Botox, and TBO. Like most about plastic surgery is that medications are very happy with their results, and when they see that themselves and feel confident again in their bodies, I feel like very proud of my job. Sometimes patients have conditions or things that happen in life like pregnancies or weight changes that also have impact on their bodies. What I do with my practice and with my job is to try to make the patients feel confident and happy. I've chosen a very exceptional team to work with me for my patients. They're working like day and night when we have surgery done to be like attentive to respond for the patient's needs, to know if you have, for example, pain management and you're doing well after the surgery. I like to provide my patients quality care, and I like them to be confident and sure about the procedure they're gonna be having. I like to do surgery in places that are very high quality care, and the clinic where he did surgeries here had an international accreditation that it's called the Joint Commission Accreditation. That's like a prize they gave us that certifies that all the procedures and all the things that we do related to surgery, aesthetic surgery, are high standard quality care. Let's talk about breast augmentation. Breast augmentation is the surgery we do in order to make the breast look a little bit larger. It's usually done with an implant. We take an implant and cut it behind the muscle so that the breast looks like larger and rounder in the upper part. Another surgery we do frequently is breast lift. It's sometimes because of the pregnancies or the weight changes. The breast has changes. You can see that the tissue goes down. So what we do with a breast lift is to take all those tissues and lift them up. That usually it's done with the patient's breast, or we can put an implant to make the result look like more rounded and more defined in the upper pulse. The type of implants we use are made of silicone. We usually work with two types of implants, rounded implants or anatomical implants. Most frequently used are the rounded implants because of the final result that they give. They are like more defined and more rounded, and patients frequently ask for that and like that result. Liposuction is the best procedure we do to get rid of all those fat deposits that don't respond to exercise and to diet. With liposuction, we give the patient like a harmonious and beautiful contour. With liposuction, we can do also a BBL, which is we transfer fat. All the fat we take off, we can transfer it to the glutes, so you can have like a rounded and very nice athletics. Tummy tuck is a procedure where we get rid of the skin laxity we have in the abdomen. Sometimes because of the breast stage and weight loss changes, we have like excess skin and laxity that has to be managed. So in that surgery, we take all of that skin so that the tummy looks like young and beautiful. In Blepharoplasty, what we do is that we make the eyes look younger again. What we do is that we take the skin laxity that we have in the eyelids, in the upper eyelids and the lower eyelids. That result makes the eyes look like young again. Sometimes because of the aging process, there's like some skin laxity and wrinkles around the eyes. Surgery, unfortunately, always comes with a scar. It's impossible for us to promise not to have a scar if you're going to have surgery. What we can do is manage the scar and have like treatments that make that scar look nicer. For example, laser, silicone sheets are some things that we use for that scar to look better. But there's always gonna be a scar. To get into surgery, it's very easy. First of all, you schedule a virtual appointment. We're gonna ask for you to send some pictures before the consultation. You will have a time with me like for 20 or 30 minutes when we can discuss about the medical records, the expectations, all the patient's needs and what they want to get from the surgery. After that, we make like a treatment plan. I will share about the details of the surgery, the risk, and how is it done and what comes after the surgery. When the consultation ends, my team sends you a budget. The budget includes everything you need for the surgery to be done. And after that, it only remains for you to schedule your surgery. I think it's very important if you're going to have surgery to have a virtual consultation or a physical consultation with their surgeon before their surgery is done. I think that space is where you can expose all of the things you want to get from surgery, and you can discuss with the surgeon all of those things that are very important to be taken to account to have a good result. If you don't do that, you can't have like a good result, because every patient is different and everybody is different. So you have to get like a treatment plan that is just for you and for your condition. Patients visit us from all around the world. I have had patients from Aruba, Puerto Rico, Canada, many patients from the US, like from Chicago, Miami. I had patients from New Jersey come too. Colombia is known to be a country of reference worldwide in plastic surgery. Many patients from all the world come here to have their surgeries done. That's because we have very capable surgeons. We also have very good places to have surgery. I like patients to know that here we do things well done with all the safety measures that are needed for a surgery to be done the way it needs to be done. So you can travel here. We have like a very nice weather, a very nice people, and very capable professionals for doing the surgery.
MTC is with you every step of the way. For your medical or dental trip, contact MTC today.